Hello students, today we will learn about the ICSE Standard 4 Science Lesson 2 Food and its digestion. Food is very essential for our life. You must have experienced that when we not eat for some lot of time, we feel hungry, we got some stomach pain and we also feel some illness. So food is very essential for our body because it gives us energy and it gives us energy to grow, help us to grow and to do our lots of work. Food also protects our body from many diseases. Very often, children who do not eat adequate food, they got sick very seriously. The food you eat contains a lot of nutrients. Now you will see that what is nutrients. The food we eat is called the nutrients. Our body requires different nutrients for doing different things. Nutrients need proteins to grow. Proteins are nutrients that helps to build new cells in our body and they repair damaged parts of our body also. They help us to grow and also called the body building food. Protein are called our body building food. Their example are milk, cheese, eggs, meat, pulses, fish, etc. These are the rich sources of proteins. Now we will read about the carbohydrates. Carbohydrates for energy. Carbohydrate gives energy. They provide us energy to work, play, study and etc. We will do many things for carbohydrates. A person who does a lot of work in his daily life, he needs a lot of carbohydrates to grow. Example of carbohydrate are rice, sugar, starch, bananas and bread. Now we will read about the fats. Fats are very essential for energy and warmth. Fats are nutrients that provide us energy. They provide twice the amount of energy of carbohydrate. It means that if the carbohydrate gives 4% energy, the fats will give the 8% energy. It means the twice energy. The fats are stored in our body for future use. Example, fats, oil, nuts, butter and cheese. These are the rich sources of fats. Fats also keep us the body to keep warm, our body warm. We also say that we should eat fats in winter season. Children should also use cheese. They also like to eat ghee and paneer and cheese. Now we will talk about the vitamins and minerals which are very good for health. Vitamins and minerals are that our body requires only in a small amount, but they are essential because without that our body does not work properly and fight with diseases. They are also called our protective food. Now, what we contains the vitamins? These we contains the fresh fruits, vegetables, fish, eggs and milk, which are rich in vitamins and oils. Several vitamins. Calcium is an essential mineral to form healthy bones and teeth. All of the children, especially old people, infants, newborn babies, or everyone drink milk, which is rich source of calcium. Calcium is essential for our bones and teeth. Iron. Iron is another essential mineral for our making blood. Ladies, especially females should require most part of the iron for making the blood. Now, the next topic is water and roughage. Water is very essential for our life. If we can live one day without food, but we cannot live one day without the water. Sometimes if we will not take the food and water, what happened to the next day? We can fall sick ill. Our body get dysentery and we will feeling very unrolled. Roughage is the fiber food that our body cannot digest it. It has no nutrients, but it has its important values. It helps in removal of waste material, means the undigested food which contains in our body. Fresh fruits, whole grains, vegetables and salads contain a lot of fibers. Now we will learn about the water. Almost 2/3 part of our body is made up of water, which is very essential for our life. We cannot stay without water. Our body requires water because blood and muscles contains water. Water is essential for digesting food. Water helps in removal of waste from of our body. Water helps our body temperature also. There are so many other uses of water. Friends, now we will learn more about the next time.